In this video, learn why you feel stuck and how to fix it fast. Part 1. The pain. Every morning feels the same. You wake up, scroll your phone, rush to work, fight burnout, and tell yourself tomorrow will be better. But deep inside, you know you're in the same loop. No progress, no confidence, just the same paycheck, the same stress, the same silence in meetings. You don't feel stuck because you're weak. You feel stuck because your mindset is trapped in survival mode. And survival mode kills creativity, growth, and self-respect. Part 2. The mindset shift. The truth: nobody is coming to rescue you. Not your boss, not HR, not luck. The number one shift you need is this: stop waiting for permission. Start creating momentum. Art 3. The Fix: Practical, Fast, Mind-Blowing Tips. Fix number 1. Micro wins over massive goals. Don't try to change your whole life in a week. That pressure keeps you stuck. Instead, set one micro win every day. Speak one sentence confidently in a meeting. Apply for one job after work. Learn one new skill for 20 minutes. Stack these micro wins. They create unstoppable momentum. Fix number 2. Rewire your environment. You can't grow in toxic soil. If your environment drains you, change the soil. Curate your feed. Unfollow negativity. Follow career growth channels. Find a new circle. Even one friend who pushes you forward beats 10 who pull you down. Redesign your desk, your routine, your energy. Small environmental shifts equal massive mindset shifts. Fix number 3. Shift from time management to energy management. You're not out of time. You're out of energy. Protect your mornings for deep focus. Say no to meetings that don't need you. Guard your mental strength like your paycheck, because in reality, your energy is your paycheck. Fix number 4. Build unshakable self-respect. Most people stay stuck because they beg for validation. Stop chasing approval. Start earning respect. Keep promises to yourself. Speak up even if your voice shakes. Walk away from roles that kill your worth. When you respect yourself, the world has no choice but to follow. Part 4. The Call to Action. Feeling stuck is not failure. It's life telling you, this chapter is over. Now, write the next one. The moment you shift your mindset, your career shifts with it. And if you want to break free from burnout, silence, and self-doubt, start today. Not next week, not next year, today. For more motivational videos, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.